Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has arrived in Jerusalem to discuss peace deal of Israel for normalizing of ties with the United Arab Emirates. In Pakistan, 94.4% patients recovered from coronavirus. Turkey announces to continue seismic survey for exploration of gas in Mediterranean till Thursday. Rouhani downplays coronavirus impact on Iran economy. The European Union has expressed the hope that Libya will be able to hold election in country after permanent ceasefire. Syrian government opposition and civil society delegation are resuming meetings in Geneva today to discuss a possible new constitution of the country. UK Foreign Minister to meet Israeli-Palestinian leaders to press for dialogue. In United States, 7 people were killed and thousands evacuated from parts of the Caribbean and southern areas as 2 storms thought the region. 6 dead and 10 missing as flooding hits Turkey Black Sea coast. At least 5 killed in bomb blast in southern Philippine town. Explosion at Arab gas pipeline leads to total blackout in Syria.